Alright everybody, Stixx Picks here, back with another video. We have a picking video. We just finished setting up our stall. We have like 3 stalls. And yeah, let's see if we can go find some stuff. It's like 6:30 right now. It's a little bit earlier than we normally walk, so maybe we'll find some good stuff. Alright y'all, we'll start this video off with a little bit of sales. My dad left me, so I'm just running the booth for a little bit. I think we can try and make sure it actually gets put together. Let me ask my dad maybe. Give me one moment. Alright, time to make some sales again. 20 bucks, easy 20. I do not know where my dad went though. He just walked away. So look at his stall for him. I don't know where he walked to. It's fun. Alright, we're still out here making some sales. Really haven't walked around yet. Just watching my dad's booth for him. Being a nice guy. Alright, we're making good sales. Honestly, we probably made about like $150 or $200 in sales so far. Honestly, not bad so far. Alright, so the coin was a little bit light. It's fine, I paid $5 for it. But it was a little bit too light for a Morgan dollar, so it wasn't actually like a genuine Morgan dollar. Not too big of a deal, it's fine. I don't know, I probably want to sell in the auction actually then. I'll definitely, if I were to sell in the auction, I would say it, like make it clear that it's not a genuine Morgan dollar. It's a little bit cheaper one. The ring was silver though. The ring is silver though. Sorry, my bad.
Oh, fire! You know, knock my foot over, man.
I would have felt so bad.
Oh yeah, you know how to kill for this one. Where your dad at? You selling today?
Yeah, he's selling. How much for the games?
Huh?
How much are the games?
It all depends. 15 to 20, some are 12.
All right.
Morning.
I don't think they're home runs. No, those aren't the home run ones. Yeah. But
I'm gonna buy Lysol from him.
All right. It's a bit harder to find stuff today. I don't know why.
Where's your dad?
My dad?
He came today?
Yeah.
Where's he park?
He should be like, he's like 2 rows down this way.
Oh, really?
Like straight here.
Yeah, I'm walking at it. Yeah.
He's got like a big trailer. He's got a big black
the
trailer.
black one. Yeah,
He's got pyro on it.
Yeah.
He's like 2 rows down there.
Está en 5. La cortadora, 20.
How much on the rings?
Which one do you like? ¿Ah? La cegueta no la traigo. Pero sí sirve, puedes chequearla.
This one's nice.
Bye. Son tan secretillos por you that.
Thank you. I'm gonna keep looking a little bit.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 18. Yeah, I just turned 18.
Do you wanna continue with the business with your dad?
I think so, yeah. I don't really want to do school. I don't like school. So this might be, I don't know, I've been raised through like doing this, so I might continue it, hopefully. I started a YouTube channel too.
Oh,
really? Yeah.
Or something different?
I mean, pretty much the same thing. Not as like long of videos, but.
Oh, really? What do you focus mostly?
Right now I've just been doing picking videos at the flea market. Like I record what I'm doing right now pretty much and just try and find stuff. And I'm gonna buy my own storage unit soon, but not yet.
Too early.
Yeah. I gotta be able to drive. I gotta learn how to drive a trailer like he does too, so I can buy one.
So you wanna be the competition for your dad?
Maybe. No, I think I don't know. I think he wants me to like take over it, like his stuff.
Oh really?
I think. I don't know.
How old is your dad now?
He's like 44.
He's still young.
43. Yeah, he's always complaining. He's like, I'm getting old. My back. My back.
Well, that's the problem. When you work on this kind of thing, you got that problem.
He's like a hernia or two too.
Yeah.
He's like a couple hernias he always talks about. He never gets fixed.
Yeah, that's for sure. That's what you get when you carry heavy stuff. You don't know how to handle.
Yeah, he's been a mover his whole life.
Yeah, you always have to have a belt to support your back.
Yeah.
Okay.
I try to. Sometimes I forget and I just lift it how I want.
No, yeah, the point is because you are young, your muscle is like stretchable, fix it right away.
Yeah.
But second time you getting older and older, then it's hard.
Yeah.
So it's better take care right now. By the when you get longer, you're still good. Le digo, pues, me avisa. Le digo, pues, si no avisan, qué bueno que me di cuenta.
How much is this one too?
Huh?
I'll add this one too.
Just give me $1.
Just 5 for both?
Huh?
5 for both?
Okay.
Oh, really?
Get one more.
Really?
Get one more.
One more, really?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I'll probably be back around. Do you have more rings to set up still?
No, it's gonna be all now necklace.
All right, I'll look at the necklaces too when I come back around.
Okay, yeah, now it's gonna be necklace. Otherwise, I see him Monday.
Yeah. Thank you.
When I start open, I can now move.
Yeah, that's true. That guy gave me a great deal. He gave me all these rings for $5. What a nice dude. I like that guy. I mean, I'm guessing it's because I was obviously my dad's son, the pirate's son. But still, what a nice dude. These are all 925 silver. Like, see, this one alone even says like a 24 price tag, and he just gave it to me all for $5. What a nice guy. All right, there's a lot of people here, but I don't know what to like buy. There's a lot of like different types of things for me to look through.
Después cuando te vendes con para la digo que sí, ¿no? Sí, ya me lo dio.
Ya le queda todo otra vez.
Si no, pues si me queda para la otra vez está bien.
How much for the ring?
5.
Bueno, gracias.
Que le vaya bien. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. I still really haven't fully learned if paying $5 for a silver ring is worth it yet, but I guess I'll find out. You know, you live and you learn. You'll obviously learn by doing it and figuring out if I can sell it for more than I paid for it, or like a good profit, not just like $2 more. I should be able to. I don't know. we'll see how much you guys actually like these rings. I'm really buying a lot of this jewelry to sell it to you guys on a live auction. So yeah, my live auction will be a lot of rings, it looks like. So I have a bunch of rings to sell so far. So I should hopefully try and prioritize other things. I don't only have one thing. Oh my gosh. All of these Funko Pops. Oh. Sloth. What the heck? Dude, I would keep this guy. It's from the Goonies. It's sick. Is your stuff? Oh. How much for the Funko Pop?
How much for the Funko Pop? $5.
All right. I'll get this one. I'm gonna keep looking, but I like that guy. All right, I didn't really buy this to resell. I don't think I want to. I love this guy. It's from the Goonies. Look at him. Let's see. Honestly, I guess we'll see if we can sell for something, but I don't really feel like selling him. All right, sells for like, I guess I could probably list him for 10 bucks and he'll probably sell, but there's no need. I like this guy. We'll keep him. All right, last row. Honestly, the last row is pretty full today. For some reason, whenever I walk through the last row, it seems like there's not that many people selling on it. I should have recorded what I was selling. We were selling a little bit. I'm giving people deals out here today. I'm giving people deals. It's fine. My dad said he didn't care too much, so I'm just trying to give it away almost. We're doing all right. I gave some of the money with my dad, so I don't actually have it all on me. That's some money though. Oh, it's a 9.
That's how much?
$1. Everything here is $1. One item, $1. Everything here is $1. $1. Great deals.
Who that pay? Who that pay?
You pay me.
Okay, there's 6 of them. So.
All right.
I'm telling her the story about the $200 for
$1. Everything over here is $1. Oh, my bad.
He had a plan. He had the plan all day.
What?
I told him to take that for $1, and he got the guy to give it to him for 50, and then we took the money. That's weird. I gave him half and half. I mean, it's only fair, no? I'm gonna take 5 more of these.
All right.
Thank you.
No problem. Cheap, cheap, cheap. You won't find it anywhere else. $1. Everything here is $1. Amazing deals happening.
Making dreams come true.
Making dreams come true. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. We're done after, it's kind of a long day. It's like 11 right now. I appreciate you for watching, especially if you watch the outro like always. I love you. And peace out.